Morning everyone. Hello. Good morning. Nice to see you all. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed and ready for another, just what we need in our lives, statistics and maths, and especially probability today. I have here, you can't see it yet, it's a cube, and I'm going to colour 1, 2, sides of this cube are going to be black and the rest are yellow, so the chances of it turning up black are going to be 2 out of 6. If I was to type that into my calculator, 2 divided by 6 is a third. Should have known that really, and that's going to be equals 0.333 dot. We should say like the probability of it being black or something. No, it doesn't really matter. We'll go black is a third, 0.3. The probability of being yellow is going to be 4 over 6 because there's 4 sides out of 6 are yellow, and that's going to be 0.66 recurring. 0.6 recurring. There we go. We'll do it like that. Right, I want to know the chances of me rolling it twice and it being black. Yay, it worked. So there you go. So what's the chances of me rolling it like that? So I'm going to draw a tree to do this. But not that kind of tree. I'm going to draw a probability tree. Okay? Because the question wants you to do it. Probability of it being black, of it being yellow on my first roll. So the black probability is 0.3 recurring. Here is 0.6 recurring. For those of you who don't know, this dot above it just means you could just type 3, goes on forever, as it were. It's called recurring. So that's, I could do that. Might make it a bit easier for some of you. The on my second go, will it be black? Will it be yellow? What's the chance of it being black? 0.3 recurring, 0.6 recurring, 0.3 recurring, 0.66 recurring. Now I want to know black, 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 yellow, yellow, black, yellow, yellow. Obviously, the chances are, if you're a betting person, you'll say it's going to be yellow, 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 because you've got more of a chance of that kind of thing. But black, black is going to be follow the tree. 0.333 recurring times 0.66. I've done it again. 0.333. Start that again. Chance of getting 2 blacks, we do it down here, it's going to be 0.3 times 0.3. Because as we go along, we multiply. Let's chuck it into our calculator. 0.333 times 0.333. What do we think? 0.1 recurring. There's just about an 11% chance of me rolling this twice. Well, not going to happen now, is it? There's an 11% chance of me getting 2 blacks in a row. Okay? That's question 3.1. Question, and what they do is they just change the conditions, so you have to kind of work out which branches you need to times together, and if you need to, chance of getting different ones would be that one plus that one. Chance of, a bit like hetero. Anyway, right. 3.2. 3.2. The thing I want you to remember is if 90 people are on drug A out of 150, then what's that? 90 divided by 100 is 0.6. I like calling this the decimal value. If you wanted it as a percentage, well, your percentage, you'll times it by 100, which would give you 60%. But this is not per 100, this is per 1, not per 150 kind of thing. You want that number there as the probability. And what you're doing is, the question is after you've filled in the table, which is a bit like a logic puzzle, obviously if there's 90 out of 150, then 60 won't have had drug A. And fill in the table like that. You've got, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, so what the question just does is it changes the top and the bottom. Changes the question, the conditions are just changing. So just fly through it, please. Now, I say fly through it, just give it your best shot. I would do this on paper. I would then be tempted to take a picture of it and then upload it onto a Word document. I really want you to put it on Word documents. Okay? Because then when you upload it as your part of your assignment, I can just mark on it. Because I can access the stuff you put on OneDrive and I can read it. And I can actually make comments